Hi everybody.
Hey.
Day 2 here. We're at a friendly local bicycle shop, getting everything ready, getting everything prim and proper before we head out to Nongkhlaw, which is our destination for today. And as you can see, there's heavy traffic, so we'll just bypass the traffic and get back to you when we get to a more chilled out space. See you there.
Better late than never, no?
Better late than never. Welcome to Jaintia Hills District, everybody. Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
It's early in the morning and we have rested our batteries well.
I'm fully charged. I'm ready. And are you ready for the surprise?
I am. Please take me. So we're gonna hit the road and we shall see you on the other side.
Bye. The breakfast of champions right here.
But to be more precise, this is the local puklen, what we call. It's made of rice, the butter of rice. We have it with some black tea.
Yummy.
Perfect.
Mr. Mark you, Mr. Mark, Mr. Mark, Mr. Mark. Aha, yes, you, Mr. Mark, Mr. Mark, Mr. Mark. Yeah, you, Mr. Mark, Mr. Mark, Mr. Mark. Aha, Mr. Mark is such a bandit. He drives big fancy cars. We work to put him there, and we can't buy a skate. When we want to see him, we hear that he's sick. Confirm we get a glimpse of him, we hear he's too busy. That same Mr. Mark, Lord, Lord. Mr.
So as you see here, we have stopped halfway for these little, these are called soplang, some kind of a root, but they are very delicious and very good for your stomach, full of roughage. You eat this with some salt.
Mr. Mark is such a bandit. He drives big fancy cars. We work to put him there, and we can't buy a skate. When we want to see him, we hear that he's sick.
And we are here.
A glimpse of him, we hear he's too busy. That same Mr. Mark, Lord, Lord.
I know it was quite a hectic ride, but we're finally here. So what do you think?
And this place is breathtaking. Look at all the monuments. I'm telling you. You all should come here to see and to feel the good vibration that you get from this place.
So this basically is called Natyang Monolith. All of this is called Natyang Monolith, and these monoliths would signify times of sacrifice and whatnot when we used to do it in the old times.
So this is not young. How do you like it? Got a lot of monoliths, no?
Like I said, it looks like a huge restaurant for me.
So back then it had a very important significance because this was the area where the elders would come and they would perform religious sacrifices and they would do chants and prayers, pay homage to the gods, so they would be blessed with good harvest, good weather, good fortune. And I guess so this place was made for that particular reason, to give significance to Mother Nature, to the gods, to the circle of life, I guess.
Unless you come here, you will feel
the
energy.
cultural significance of this place.
Yeah. Spiritual energy, that's what I would say. We had about 23 kilometers on the highway, and now we have reached Rimbai, which will take us another half an hour to our destination. So yeah, the highway was, there's nothing much to see on the highway.
A lot of cars.
Yeah, just a lot of cars and trucks.
We're on a scenic route now.
Yeah.
After this it gets a little less hectic. So let's just enjoy the ride from here. I promise you, you'll enjoy it.
Let's go.
This is our buddy. Came and picked us up, and he'll be like a temporary guide for us. So guys, we finally reached Yamala. As you can see that tiny house down there, that's where we're going to spend the night, and that's where we'll find our next adventure. So, come on, let's go to the next place.
What's up, brother? We're just leaving the bikes here for now, taking a walk to where the waterfalls is before the sun sets. So let's go. So we have reached Yapmala. As you see, this is the Lamu Falls, and there is a story behind this falls. They say that there is a flower that grows right in between the falls. The name of the flower is Latutin. And if a guy can get this flower, he can get any maiden he likes. Get ready, boys. Get ready to get the flower. The unexplored part of Meghalaya, which is so beautiful. The ride all the way from Shillong was a little hectic, a little steep, but most of it was beautiful. And yeah, Yapmala, this place where we reach here pretty late, and we have more to show you tomorrow. Hello good morning. Well, we're gonna show you why we are at Yapmala, and the morning has been quite cloudy.
First cloudy day in fact.
Still a beautiful day.
Yes.
Very beautiful.
And
we are very lucky to have my brother take us on a MTB off-road trail, and we are very excited.
So I'll show you, brother and Contips here, a little bit about this place.
Excited.
We'll have
good
some
time.
crazy adventure today.
yes.
Pathway, the cement pathway. Now the road gets a little rougher. It'll be a bit more off-road. We have to pass through rivers, and we have a surprise for you.
So guys, after that
Intense ride.
awesome
Very proud of
ride,
our trip.
we're gonna be reaching the exotic part of this morning ride, and we are excited to show you. And there's gonna be a water body over there, and
That's
a surprise.
even the locals don't know much about these places, so stay tuned.
Check it out. Check it out. Oh, what a ride.
What a ride, man. Bah. You took us through all the terrain. The ride
I
was...
hope you liked it.
Yeah, the ride was like bumpy yet enjoyable, and now we have reached to the end of this river, and
Approaching a waterfall.
yes, I would
Beautiful
like to
waterfall
just
ahead.
go and see that right now.
Hey guys,
Absolutely fantastic.
you wanna see how I wash my bike?
Sure.
Wanna see?
Why not?
You have to check this out.
Yeah,
Watch this.
yeah, man. Let's do. Let's go see how you wash your bike.
Check it out. Nice and shiny. And that's how you wash a bike. As you can see, 91 can take that jump. pretty good bike, I would say.
As you can see just now, man, that was
I would never be able to do that, man.
It was fun. It was fun. You should try it.
the extreme Mr. Cooper had a bike wash and a body wash.
And shiny.
And we have to go back now to freshen up because we may have come to the end of the river, but then the journey is not ended yet. So we'll see you on the other side again.
We'll grab some snacks and then we'll shut some hills, downhill. Again, we'll do some extreme sweating down the hill. Let's go. Downhill. Come on.
See you guys.
I'm gonna roll down the river now, and I ain't taking anybody back where we're going from here. 'Cause where I'm headed to, I know. Gonna roll down the river now. Ain't taking no burdens on my way. Gonna head back to the heaven place. Gonna find my place by the swollen face of rolling down the river now. Gonna roll down the river now.
Down the river now.
And we've made it!
No, I ain't looking back, gonna find myself a home.
Little Mama Tips, we are finally here at the end of the journey. I would like to thank you for accompanying me, my brother Cooper for coming along.
Thank you guys.
Enjoyed every bit of it. And if anybody is interested, this is the unexplored part of Meghalaya. You know,
East Chantia
yeah.
Hills.
Other places in Meghalaya, people have just sabotaged, but the East Chantia Hills is another beautiful place for cyclists who want to explore the untouched part of our state. So yeah, the journey all the way from Shillong has been great. So long, farewell, I just say goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.